Hey everyone, it is Kathy Haig here at Terrace Honda, and today we're going to talk about your road departure mitigation system or your lane keeping assist. They're kind of sisters to each other and sort of do the same thing depending on the systems that you're using. The topic has come up because it's come up in a couple of discussions I've had lately about whether or not it is dangerous. And there's reasons for it, and I'll get into it in a minute. However, I want to show you what this is, the lane keeping assist with Honda is, and how it works. And I'm just going to explain this briefly. I'm going to turn this around here. So your lane keeping assist has a little button here, or your Honda mitigation departure system is right here in your Honda. It's very easy to turn on and off, right? And what happens in your dash when you turn it on or off, it will actually show you that it's on. Now, the other thing, your lane keeping assist is going to come on when you use your cruise control. Okay, there's a couple of systems, your accelerated cruise control and your lane keeping assist. You can see it right there. Your cruise control obviously should only be used on dry roads in good weather. It should never be used in the rain or rainy roads, icy roads, snow, or anything else. So if this is something that's keeps annoying you, make sure to shut it off, if you're not actually using your cruise control. Now, the reason this has come up is because I've had people, taking vehicles for test drives, and it also came up with one of my trainers today because it was something he had come across in a forum, and people talking about how they couldn't change lanes and they figured it was dangerous. So what happens is, now this is a highway speed option on your vehicle. It's not going to work downtown. It's not going to keep you in lanes, whatever. You have to be over 72 kilometers an hour. All right. Your sensors are going to detect on either side of the road, like either the edges of the road or your white lines. Okay. If you swerve too close, okay, it's going to give you a little vibration in the steering wheel, and it's going to try and kind of help keep you in the lane. Now, this is not a self-driving feature. Please don't think that you can just take your hands off the wheels and do that. But it's to help, especially on long trips, or, if you're doing a lot of commuter driving. It's just an added safety feature that can help keep you in the lane and mitigate accidents. Now I'm going to turn this around again, because the other thing that I want to show you is when you go, you can actually adjust your settings in this. Now I'm in the 22 Honda Pilot. So if you're in like a CRV, a newer CRV or Civic or Accord, it's going to look slightly different on your screens. But what you want to do is go into your vehicle setting, and you are looking for your driver assist system setup. And when you go into it, you're going to have all your Honda safety features, and you can take and adjust the ones that you want. Now, to be really clear, don't go changing these without doing a little bit of research first and making sure you know what it is you're adjusting. Honda Canada on YouTube has some fantastic short videos. If you just put in, for the one that you're curious about, for example, like your forward collision warning, in their little search bar on their channel, they will have a short video that shows you exactly how to use it. You can do that with any of these. But what you're looking for is your road departure mitigation setting. Now you can adjust this. You can have it normal. You can have it wide so that it senses those things more quickly, and you can turn it to warning only, like maybe with a beep or whatever. It doesn't necessarily give you the vibration in the steering wheel and kind of try to keep you in the lane. Now here's the thing that gets me with everybody that complains about this, people on forums who are talking about, oh my gosh, it's dangerous. This is a basic driving skill. This is a basic driving skill. When you are changing lanes or pulling out to pass, if you use your turn signal, it will temporarily disable that setting so that you're not fighting the steering wheel and getting those notifications. It's really easy. Or you can just shut it off on the button on the side. So you know, take that into consideration. You don't have to have it on, but it is an added safety feature. And if you do have it on, it just requires, you know, using your turn signals to disable it when you change lanes. So I hope that helps. You can actually take and, you know, like I showed you, adjust your settings in there, and it makes it really easy. It shouldn't be something that causes you stress. Let me know if this helps. Leave a comment below, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.